Today, I'm reviewing the Roborock Q Revo and the iRobot Roomba J7 Plus to help you decide which robot vacuum is better for most homes in 2026. First up, the Roborock Q Revo is a 2-in-1 vacuum and mop with LiDAR navigation and powerful suction, plus an auto-emptying dock with reusable bin and automatic mop washing and drying, meaning less ongoing maintenance and better cleaning on hard floors and mixed surfaces. Users often highlight its quiet operation and strong navigation and appreciate that it vacuums and mops in one run without manual intervention. The Q Revo's laser mapping works well in low light and helps reduce missed spots. Next, the Roomba J7 Plus focuses on camera-based precision vision navigation with standout obstacle and pet waste avoidance, great app control, and a reliable self-emptying clean base with disposable bags that hold debris for weeks. Reviewers note that the J7 Plus excels on carpet and avoids common hazards that might trip up other bots. In comparison, the Roborock's LiDAR and reusable dock often lead to lower long-term costs and less maintenance, while the Roomba's camera system can struggle in dim lighting and requires more upkeep. If you have lots of hard floors, pets, and want an all-in-one cleaning experience with mopping, the Roborock Q Revo is likely the better choice for most homes. But if pet waste avoidance and carpet focus are top priorities, the Roomba J7 Plus still has a strong edge.